Today we will be talking about the quintessential trigonometric function sine. Our first example displays the parent function, sine theta. Sine theta has an amplitude of 1, a domain of all reals, and a range of -1 to 1. The period for the sine theta function is 2 pi. If sine theta is changed to represent 2 sine theta, then both the amplitude and range will change. The newly created range will be -2 to 2, and the changed amplitude will be 2. This concludes our presentation of the 2 sine theta function. Next, we will be showing a sine function that is shifted horizontally. Sine theta plus pi over 2. The changes that this function has undergone deal with a horizontal disposition, so that the pi divided by 2 point on the graph is now at 0 instead of 1, and so on. Basically, the entire graph shifts left, 1 axis unit. All other elements of this function remain the same. Next is the 1 plus sine theta graph. This graph displays a vertical shift of 1 y-axis unit, so all points rise 1 unit. Domain remains the same as the parent graph. All reals are included. Range changes to 0, 2. Our next exciting function includes sine 2 theta, a function whose period, normally 2 pi, has changed to pi. This change makes the function include a normal range of -1 to 1, and as you can see, the function crosses the x-axis much more frequently. Domain remains constant at -infinity to infinity. The final function combines all previous function changes into one.
One-third 2 sine 2 theta plus pi over 2. This graph shifts all points up 1/3 units along the y-axis, increases amplitude to 2, changes the period to pi, and shifts the graph to the left horizontally by pi over 2. We hope this math introduction will aid you in your endeavors. Goodbye.